At Temecula Wine Country Villas, we are doing everything in our power to help prevent the spread of COVID-19 while protecting the health of our guests and employees. Each of our homes is meticulously cleaned and sanitized using the proper concentrations of EPA-approved antiviral sanitizers. Each surface is cleaned and disinfected, allowing proper wet contact time with the sanitizer mix and the surface being cleaned. Not only will countertops and all cabinet surfaces be sanitized, but also we will be sanitizing our carpets with the proper mixture of Clorox Bleach and water. Carpets will remain wet for 1 to 2 hours to complete the disinfection process. All couches are sanitized with focus on the armrest. All throw pillows have been removed from the homes. All of our bedding, including bedspreads, are washed between each rental with the proper bleach ratio for disinfection. Hand towels will be replaced with disposable paper towels at each bathroom and kitchen sink. A personal spray bottle of alcohol will be given to each guest to sanitize their hands and cell phones after washing. Finally, after everything has been cleaned and sanitized, all high-touch surfaces will be covered in a barrier film, same as that used in the dentist's office, to protect our guests. Check out our rentals in beautiful Temecula Wine Country. We look forward to hosting you, and thank you for watching.